Aloha viewers, and welcome to Island Driver TV. Do you have excellent defensive driving skills? Think you could pass a written driver's test today? Let's find out when I test your road rules IQ. The proper positioning of your hands on the steering wheel is the 9 and 3 o'clock position. But wait, what happened to the 10 and 2? According to sites like State Farm, the 9 and 3 positions are the standard now because drivers have to consider airbags. However, if you drive a classic car pre-1990s without an airbag, then the 10 and 2 position still remains correct. Now that airbags come equipped in every modern car, drivers need to consider their seat positions while driving a vehicle. So my question for you is, what is the proper distance between you and the steering wheel? Is it A, about 10 inches, B, approximately 18 inches, or C, whatever you feel comfortable?
I honestly don't know.
I would say whatever I feel comfortable.
10 and 2, and your arm is slightly bent, is the proper distance.
If you answered A, 10 inches, you are correct. According to the Institute of Highway Safety, it is recommended to have 10 inches between the center of your chest and the steering wheel to avoid injury should the airbag deploy in the event of a collision. Airbags deploy at the rate of up to 200 miles per hour. That's 2,000 pounds of force coming at you in a matter of seconds. By maintaining at least 10 inches from yourself and the steering wheel, you can avoid serious injuries should the airbag deploy. Studies have shown that drivers sit either too close to the steering wheel, which causes serious injuries, or too far back, which compromises their control of the car, and basically rendering the airbag useless. The way you can tell if you're in the correct position is really easy. All you have to do is sit in your seat like you normally would. Extend your arms out to the wheel. If you can extend your hands past the steering wheel, so the steering wheel is touching your wrists, you're in the correct position and distance. So the next time you hop in the driver's seat, take the test yourself and see if you're in the correct position and distance from the steering wheel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time when I test your road rules IQ.